Hi folks, Adam at Leighton Vans. We've got another full apt Audi for you. Now this one is actually a Q8, so it's a Q8 S-Line 3 litre TDI Quattro. But I mean, just look at it. How good does that look? Now, this is the second one of these that we've had. The first one we didn't actually get a chance to do a walk around video on because it sold within 3 days of us having it in stock. But this one, we've made sure we get a quick walk around done for you guys. Now if we move to the front end, the vehicle has been de-chromed all the way around, so there's not one bit of chrome left on here, as you can see with the black Audi badge. We've also got the wider ABT front end along with the bottom splitter as well. So moving around to the side of the vehicle, first thing you see is the new style apt 23-inch matte graphite alloys. Now they're wrapped in Pirelli P Zeros and they just suit this car so well, they look absolutely unreal. And as I mentioned before, it was fully chromed down the side, but it's had the full black pack. So all the chrome's gone, replaced with awesome looking black trim. So on the rear of the vehicle, we've got the apt extended roof spoiler, along with the spats down the side of the rear glass. We've also got the absolutely amazing looking quad exhaust rear diffuser setup on this. It sets it off so well. And big apt badge on the back just there as well. So the Audi Q8 is a kind of SUV coupe, but look at the size of the boot. Electric tailgate as well to make getting everything in super easy. And obviously just to close it, all we have to do, just one touch of the button. So moving on to the interior of the vehicle, one of the big differences compared with an SQ7 is the dashboard. Now this has got Audi's new style dashboard in it, which is hardly any buttons and two very big screens and the virtual cockpit, which looks absolutely amazing. I'll put the ignition on and show you. So you can see there you've got virtual dashboard, big sat nav screen, and then all your heater controls and some other miscellaneous stuff down there as well. So folks, it's just a quick walk around our latest full apt Q8. Now for the full advert on this vehicle, head to the description section and click on the link. Thanks guys.